5-minute meals. So can you just walk us through for what you're doing, Nick, or what you've done? Yeah. So right now, I'm putting in, some stuff, and we're gonna make some, angel hair. I put some into the water, the starchy water, and that's supposed to make it an emulsive, uh, thing, and not make it burn when I put it in. And I'm gonna need some stupid, more of this stuff. And what was that? That was my handy dandy thing. Now it's burning. Ooh, most likely. And I need to make this even. Come on. I mean, it's already like halfway cut because of the box size, so it doesn't really matter. So I don't want to have the bite size. Can't move this freaking spices around. Don't show this to your dad, by the way, please. He will kill me. Yeah. That's getting better. I wish I had some more pasta water, though. It's... I also probably need, more spices and garlic. Do you got a fork? You could probably scrape that out. I don't got a fork or a spoon. Doesn't even matter. There's so little garlic in here. Look at all that. Wasting food. So yeah, that looks like supper now, don't it? How much do you guys want? Half of it? Probably a third of it. Third? Alright. Yeah, me too. We can always have something else as well, but I would like some pasta. Pretty up there. Nick, can you sign off? Um, uh, thank, thanks our sponsor, remembear, uh, for 30% off. Use our discount code, remembear.com/yaniprov. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Yes?